how many of you have had this? How many of you have had a paper cut? Right? Most everybody's had a paper cut. And this is one of the key things that shows us the amount of pain that you have is not a direct indication of how much tissue damage you have. Does that make sense? You've got this little tissue damage, but this big pain. But one of the things that you're going to hear me say over and over tonight is that we've got to get over this idea. One of the ideas that we have around pain is that the amount of pain that you have is a direct indication of tissue health and tissue damage, and it's not so. That's what our medical profession's been teaching you. That's what I learned in school, but your experiences in science now says that that's not true. One of the really amazing studies they did was they looked at people who had paper cuts at work versus paper cuts at home. Where do you think it hurts more? Right? This is not a simple little thing of injury equals pain. There are a lot of different things that affect us. So, here's a question for you to consider. What is the purpose of pain? Now, most people in hearing this question, what they think is, pain is there to tell you you've been damaged. That makes sense. But it's not exactly right. The purpose of pain, or why we feel pain, we can say it in one simple word, and this is the word, it's protection. The reason that you have pain, now whether it's a physical pain or even an emotional pain, the reason that we experience pain is to protect you. And it's just one way that your body can protect you. Your body can protect you by doing all these other things. If you sprain your ankle like this person did, you'll probably lift up your foot. You'll probably look down there to protect you a little bit more. You'll probably vocalize something when you do it. You may get a spasm in the muscles. All these things are different ways that your body protects you. Lots of other ways your body protects you, right? Coughing, sneezing, blinking. These are all protective mechanisms as well. Pain is just one way that your body protects you. Has anybody here ever been in a little car accident where your head got whipped around? The day after that, the muscles of your neck are jammed tight, right? Now, why are the muscles of your neck jammed tight? You would normally think they're jammed tight because it hurts, but they're not. They're jammed tight because your body is trying to protect you. It's trying to stop you from moving your neck. If you have a lot of pain in your neck, you won't move it. If you have a lot of muscle spasm in your neck, you won't move it. Right? So it's another protection mechanism, spasm is. Anybody ever smacked their thumb with a hammer? Most people have done that sort of thing. Did you notice that right after you smack your thumb with a hammer that your hand is weak? If you try to use your hand to pick something up, your hand is actually weak. Or if you bang your knee on something, you're walking along, you're running along, you bang your knee, and all of a sudden your thigh muscle is weak. This is another way your body protects you. Because if the muscles are weak, you can't use it. So your body can protect you in a lot of different ways, and pain just happens to be one.